Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis on a very routine basis. Been doing it basically every 24 hours. And this one is being pretty strong. For those of you that did watch yesterday's video, if I'm being honest, I essentially got this one wrong. I mean, I guess I could kind of nitpick and say that, well, it did pull back like I said it would, but when I was using the term pullback, I thought it would for sure be, at least down in this area of the chart right now. But it's held up very, very nicely and very strong. And that's where I want to bring in this first level of support that seems to be established right here at 7,300, because that's essentially over the past 24 hours since the last video that I did. That's the area where the bulls just, or I should say the bears just couldn't push down past the bulls. They did a good job of holding strong there. So that certainly seems to be that near-term level of support. And what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would certainly be if the price can stay up above 7,300. But remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours from now and the price is down below 7,300, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that at that point in time. I'm just saying that if the price can continue to stay above it, that would certainly be a great sign of power. In the event, like I said, we'll go with the number 15 again. So 15 hours from now, you're watching this video, and the price is down below 7,300. The next question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where does the price stand relative to the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average? And as long as the price is above that 50-period, again, the purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, I talked about more broader term ones in past videos. So at this point, though, I'm going to focus more so on what seems to be that near-term level, and that's right up there around 7,600. Several times the price has been up around that area and just hasn't been able to quite push through it. But, I mean, I got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls are flexing their muscles in a pretty big way. The candlesticks that I talked about in yesterday's video really did imply that there was going to be some sort of pullback. And there was a pullback, yes, but it was a very, very, very mild pullback, which is why I would still consider myself wrong from yesterday's video. And, you can see now that the price is starting to recover there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, I'll do another video tomorrow, 24 hours from now before the weekend. Overall, though, charts showing quite a bit of strength on the bulls' part. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.